Speaking English confidently is a skill many people aspire to develop. It's not just about knowing the right words or grammar rules, it's also about overcoming fear and building the self-assurance to use the language effectively. To speak English confidently, there are several key strategies to consider, and it's beneficial to approach this journey with a combination of practice, mindset, and support. First, let's discuss the importance of mindset. Confidence starts with a positive attitude toward learning and speaking English. It's essential to recognize that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Everyone makes errors, and they provide valuable opportunities for growth. By shifting your focus from the fear of making mistakes to the excitement of improving, you can start to build your confidence. Remind yourself that communication is the ultimate goal, and perfection is not necessary. Embrace each mistake as a stepping stone towards becoming more proficient. Another critical aspect of speaking confidently is practice. The more you practice speaking English, the more comfortable and natural it will feel. Regular practice helps you become more familiar with the language and build your fluency over time. Find opportunities to speak English as often as possible. This could be through conversations with friends, joining English-speaking clubs or groups, or even practicing with language learning apps. The key is consistency. Even short, daily practice sessions can make a significant difference in your confidence levels. Engaging in conversations with native speakers or fluent English speakers can be particularly beneficial. This exposure allows you to hear how the language is used in real-life situations and helps you to pick up on nuances and idiomatic expressions. If you don't have access to native speakers, consider finding language exchange partners online. Many platforms connect learners with native speakers who are also looking to practice another language, creating a mutually beneficial learning experience. In addition to practicing speaking, it's equally important to work on your listening skills. Understanding how English is spoken helps you to respond more naturally and accurately. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies or TV shows in English, and pay attention to how sentences are structured and how words are pronounced. Immersing yourself in the language in various contexts will improve your comprehension and help you feel more confident when speaking. Building your vocabulary is another crucial element. A broad vocabulary allows you to express yourself more clearly and accurately. However, it's not just about memorizing new words, it's about learning how to use them effectively in conversation. Practice using new words in sentences and try to incorporate them into your daily conversations. This will help reinforce your learning and make you more comfortable using the new vocabulary in real-life situations. Understanding and mastering pronunciation is also vital. Pronunciation can greatly affect how well you are understood by others. Practice pronouncing words correctly and pay attention to the rhythm and intonation of English. Many resources are available online, including pronunciation guides and language learning apps that can help you refine your accent and pronunciation. If possible, work with a language tutor who can provide personalized feedback and guidance on your pronunciation. Confidence in speaking also comes from being prepared. Before engaging in a conversation or presentation, think about the topics you might discuss and prepare some key phrases or vocabulary related to those topics. This preparation helps you feel more secure and ready to handle various conversational situations. Practice speaking about different topics to build your ability to express yourself on a range of subjects. It's also helpful to set specific goals for your English speaking practice. Goals give you something to strive for and can help you measure your progress. Start with small, achievable goals, such as introducing yourself or discussing a simple topic, and gradually work your way up to more complex conversations. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small, as this will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep improving. Building confidence in speaking English is also about developing a positive self-image. Often, our own doubts and fears can be the biggest obstacles to confidence. Work on building your self-esteem by recognizing your strengths and the progress you've made. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and motivate you. Positive reinforcement from others can significantly impact your confidence and willingness to speak. Another effective strategy is to use affirmations and visualization techniques. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you build a confident mindset. Repeating affirmations such as "I am a capable English speaker" or "I am improving every day" can reinforce your belief in your abilities. Visualization involves imagining yourself speaking English confidently in various scenarios. This mental practice can help reduce anxiety and prepare you for real-life conversations. If you find yourself feeling nervous or anxious before speaking English, consider some relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, and relaxation practices can help calm your nerves and improve your focus. Being relaxed and composed can make a significant difference in your ability to speak confidently. Furthermore, it's important to engage with English in a way that you find enjoyable and motivating. If you enjoy a particular activity, such as playing games, reading books, or watching movies, try to incorporate English into these activities. When learning and practicing English feels like fun, it becomes less of a chore and more of an enjoyable experience. This positive association can greatly enhance your confidence and motivation. Joining social groups or communities where English is spoken can also provide valuable opportunities to practice and build confidence. Engaging in social activities or discussions in English helps you become more comfortable with spontaneous conversation and allows you to practice speaking in a supportive environment. These interactions not only improve your language skills but also help you develop a sense of belonging and confidence in your ability to communicate effectively. Remember that confidence comes with time and experience. It's a gradual process, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Be patient with yourself and recognize that building confidence in speaking English is a journey that requires persistence and dedication. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing yourself to step outside your comfort zone. Each small success will contribute to your overall confidence and proficiency. Lastly, consider seeking feedback from others. Constructive feedback can provide valuable insights into areas where you can improve and highlight your strengths. If possible, work with a language tutor or join a language class where you can receive personalized feedback and support. Constructive criticism, when delivered kindly and thoughtfully, can help you refine your skills and boost your confidence. In conclusion, speaking English confidently involves a combination of mindset, practice, preparation, and positive reinforcement. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities, practice regularly, engage with native speakers, build your vocabulary and pronunciation, and set achievable goals. Develop a positive self-image, use affirmations and visualization techniques, and incorporate relaxation practices to manage anxiety. Engage with English in enjoyable ways, join supportive communities, and seek feedback to continue improving. With dedication and persistence, you will find yourself speaking English more confidently and effectively.